Hey everyone! One of the most eye-catching text effects in modern video editing is placing text behind a character. This effect instantly adds depth, makes our video feel more cinematic, and helps the text blend naturally into the scene instead of sitting flat on top of the footage. In this video, we break down how to make text appear behind a character in Capcut using simple tools and techniques. Even if we are new to editing, this method is easy to follow and works well for social media edits, cinematic clips, and creative videos. Putting text behind a character creates a layered, professional look that adds dimension to our video. Instead of distracting from the subject, the text becomes part of the environment, making the edit feel more intentional and visually appealing. This technique also helps guide viewers' attention. The character stays as the main focus while the text adds context or emphasis without overpowering the scene. Precision and patience are important here. We need to use masking and proper placement to make the effect look seamless. Now let's get started on how to add text to the background. Apply the first and open Capcut. Once we are in Capcut, we create a new project. After creating a project, we import our video. Let's use this video as an example. We drag it and drop it onto our layer. Once it is in our layer, we go to text. We add some text, and then add the text to our layer. We adjust it to fit our video and then edit the text. For example, we can write something here. Then we adjust the text and change the color. Let's change it to black so it's more noticeable, and we will bold it. Once it's done, we right-click our video, copy it, and then right-click again to paste it. When we paste it, we move it to the top so the text is sandwiched between the two video layers. Then, we click this video, and then click Remove Background. Next, we click Auto Remove. Once it's auto-removed, we can see the background is now at the back. When we play it, the details are now in the back. In summary, making text appear behind a character in Capcut is a powerful editing trick that instantly elevates our videos. It adds depth, improves visual storytelling, and gives our edits a more cinematic feel. As we practice, we can experiment with different fonts, sizes, and animation to enhance the effect even further. The more we work with layers and masking, the more natural and professional our edits will look.